In this video, you will learn how to solve the angles that are formed by the secants of a circle. So it could either be two secants intersect inside a circle, or two secants intersect outside a circle. But first, let's define secant. Right, if this is our circle here, a secant is a line, ray, or line segment that intersect a circle in two places. So our secant could be this one, that one, okay, this one, or okay, this one, and this one. Okay, could be a ray, a line, or a segment. Okay, let's try solving some sample problems here. We're given this circle here with two secants intersect inside a circle. If two secants intersect inside a circle, the measure of the angle, this angle here, okay, let's say this is angle 1. So the measure of angle 1 is just equal to half of the sum of the major arc, this is our major arc, and the minor arc. So that would be 1/2 of x degrees plus 45 degrees. And it is given here that angle 1 is equal to 90 degrees because of this symbol here. So that would be 90 degrees equals 1/2. We distribute 1/2 to x degrees and 45. So this would be 1/2 x degrees plus 1/2 times 45 degrees. Will be 45 divided by 2. And then we multiply both sides by 2. And we get 180 degrees equals x degrees plus 45 degrees. And then we subtract both sides. We subtract 45 degrees from both sides. And this would be equivalent to 135 degrees. So x degrees here is just equivalent to 135 degrees. So this is the answer here. All right. How about this one? So we will use the same formula since the two secants intersect inside the circle. So we need to solve for x. Now to solve for the value of x degrees here, we need to find this angle first. Let's say this angle is angle 1. All right. So again, the measure of angle 1 is just equal to 1/2 of the sum of the major arc, which is 170 degrees, and the minor arc. So this is the minor, this one is the major. So that would be plus 62 degrees. And 1/2 of 170 plus 62 is 232 degrees. Therefore, the measure of angle 1 is just equal to 232 over 2. And that is equal to 116 degrees. Therefore, this angle here is equal to 116 degrees. Since this is a straight line, so that means x degrees and angle 1 are supplementary angles, which means the sum is equal to 180 degrees. So that would be x degrees plus 116 degrees equals 180 degrees. We subtract 116 from both sides. Okay, this cancels out, and this would give us an answer of 64 degrees. Therefore, the value of x degrees is 64 degrees. Now let's solve some problems where 2 seconds intersect outside a circle. Okay, let's say for example this one. Oh no, this is not the one because this one is secant and tangent. So let's change that. Alright, how about if we're given this problem where 2 seconds intersect outside a circle? So the formula for this in finding the exterior angle, this one, the x degrees, that is just equivalent to 1/2 of the difference of the major arc and the minor arc. So that would be the measure of angle x, or x degrees, is just equal to 1/2 of the difference of the major arc and the minor arc. That would be 90 degrees minus 20 degrees. So this is just 1/2 of 70 degrees. Therefore, the measure of angle x, or x degrees, is just equal to 70 divided by 2, and that would give us an angle that is equivalent to 35 degrees. How we can solve the other problem, the one I previously showed you. It will be solved the same way as this. Alright, this is a secant line and a tangent line, but to solve this, it will be the same as when 2 seconds intersect outside the circle. But the formula to solve for the lengths of the secant and tangent lines and 2 seconds that intersect outside the circle are different, and I'm going to discuss those in the next videos. So this would be okay, the measure of angle x is just equal to 1/2 of the difference of the major arc, which is 150 degrees, and the minor arc. So that is 1/2 of 150 minus 60. So this is just 90 degrees. Therefore, x degrees here is equivalent to 90 divided by 2, which is 45 degrees.